Hello everyone, welcome to my home. My name's April KUDWA and today I will be taking you through my first major renovation project as well as my first major interior design project. Come on in. I hope you have enjoyed the tour. Now I'm going to take you guys through the renovation dates, the project, as well as the interior design ideas. So I actually purchased the condo in February of 2019, February 22nd to be exact. The renovation project took me exactly 2 months and 4 days, and my housewarming party was on April 26th of 2019. So in those 2 months, we completely gutted everything. When I bought the place, it had brown walls and 1990s shag carpet. Like, it was like the little loopy kind. It was so bad. So it had to go. So we completely put in new floors. I wanted to go with white porcelain tiles as it makes the room look bigger. And because I'm in a condo unit, I obviously don't have thousands and thousands of square feet, to have all the space that I want. So I wanted to go with the white floors as well as a soft gray on the walls. The walls are not exactly white, they're a color called ice cube. So they look white, but they have a touch of gray that makes the baseboard stand out. I wanted to go with neutral colors, white and black, as it harnesses the masculine and feminine energies and is that yin and yang balance. I felt it was very important as I would have, myself as well as gentlemen living with me, and I wanted both parties to feel comfortable throughout the house. You'll notice as you go through each of the bedrooms, I did one accent wall. I only did one accent wall because too much can make your room look over dramatic, especially if you want an aesthetic flow through each of your rooms as one person goes throughout the house. That's why all of the rooms have the same flooring. They all have the white porcelain tile to give it that same effect. The only difference is the 2 bathrooms. The 2 bathrooms have a tile that's meant for the bathrooms, but also has the same type of effect and the same look, so that again, it keeps that aesthetic flow. When you go into my room, you saw the big light up headboard. That's something I actually made myself. with 2 4x8 panels, and then I paneled it, painted all the panels, put siding on it, and LEDs behind. So something like that you guys can actually make at home if you want to spice up your room a little bit. I also went with a lot of LEDs. LEDs are an easy way to make your house, to make your room pop just like that. I did it around my makeup table as well, so that when I'm getting ready, I can feel a little bit glamorous. An easy way to upgrade your house and upgrade your bathrooms is to have an LED mirror. You can find those many different places online. Find one that fits your needs, and just like that, at the touch of a button, your bathroom is upgraded. When I chose the furniture for my common area, I chose everything to be spot specific. I think it's very important to utilize your space efficiently. It's better to have less stuff than more stuff and just create clutter. Instead, use the spacing of each of your rooms efficiently, and you won't have an issue with overcrowding and overclutter. When I bought this couch, I measured every wall from spot to spot and found one that perfectly fit. This couch came all the way from California, and I had to drive down to Miami to pick it up and bring it back. Over here, I did a little reading nook to utilize this extra bit of space and built a customized bookshelf on the wall. Shout out to David and Kyle for helping me get that done last minute. In the kitchen, you'll notice I went with black cabinets. We actually painted all of those. They were originally a soft tan. I painted them black because it was a good contrast against the floors, and it also matched the couch, which is the focal point of the common area in the living room. The next thing you'll notice throughout the house is the lighting. Lighting is very, very important. My personal favorite lighting is the white LEDs. I think they just give a very glowing effect, whereas the soft white kind of give it a more traditional look. Unfortunately, with certain lights that I bought, the lights that it came with were the soft white, so I actually had to mix between the white LEDs and the soft lights. So what was nice about that is that all of the plugs were different, so if I wanted a soft white look for a traditional feeling, I could do that. If I wanted the bright white LEDs for a glamorous look, I could do that as well. Now, some glam tips that I'm going to give you guys, a simple, easy way to glam your house is to add some mirrors. I add mirrors everywhere, if you can't tell. I absolutely love having that edgy effect while also having it be glamorous without having to be over the top. So the reason I'm filming this video for you all is because I am actually selling my condo later this week, and this is my last full day in my condo before we take it all apart. It's going to be very sad to let it go, and it's going to be very sad to say goodbye, because it has been not only a piece of art for me, but my home for 2 years. But the good news is I will be buying another house within a week of that, and we'll be starting my second major renovation project. So you guys want to make sure you stay tuned. I'm going to have a lot of different things coming ahead for you. Another big project and another big design. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have an amazing day.